Hi, this is Justine Calderwood, physical therapist at the Healing Spot Physical Therapy. This week I want to go over some tips with you to do some core strengthening and hip strengthening using just your body weight. So we're going to start with the transverse abdominis muscles as kind of a foundation to get started. So you're going to lie down on your back, knees bent, and you're going to contract the transverse abdominis muscles. These wrap around to the low back. They go across this way. To give yourself a little bit of feedback, you're just going to put your hands right on your hips and you're going to feel with your fingers. As you contract these muscles, what you're going to picture is almost like you're trying to suck in your stomach a little bit, like you're trying to put on a tight pair of jeans, okay? But you're not going to get a lot of movement into the upper body, okay? So you're just pulling them up underneath your ribs. You're going to contract for a couple seconds and then relax back down. If you're doing it correctly, you're going to feel those muscles pop out into your fingertips. Okay? If you have any questions on this exercise, just leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you.